June 2nd. It's a lovely month and a lovely day, but it's just another number to pause justice for Michigan citizens who have been harmed. Once again, we're not offering a recommendation for exceptions. I'm speaking today again about including the third and sometimes the most important branch of government, the judicial branch. We can move this back 6 weeks, but we can't move back the pain and suffering and the unexpected consequences of harmful drugs on the market. Now, only a few days ago, the senator from Saginaw said that many states have this similar law. I don't think that was a wholly accurate remark. So by postponing the effort that we should be undertaking today, we're offering further excuses and unfamiliar examples to pause judicial relief for Michigan citizens. The highest responsibility we have as senators of this great state is the public health and welfare of our citizens. And when we just unilaterally deny them access to the local courts, and we say, yes, June 2nd is a fine date to postpone this too, I would hope that there's an altruistic measure in this, that those that say that we pause till June 2nd will actually give us this vote that we've asked for nearly 6 years. If we have an assurance that we will vote on this issue on June 2nd, I wouldn't like to, but I could support the pause again of this important legislation. But somehow I don't believe that we're going to be given that right to vote on June 2nd. I think it's going to be like April 2nd that just went by, and I think it's going to be like February 2nd that just went by. So if we can get a responsible measure by those that would like to pause this legislation and say we will give you that vote on June 2nd, then I could say I'll join you. But I think this is just another example of what we utilize this bill for. Let's do what we were elected to do. There's not a single member of this Senate, if they had a family member that was harmed, if they themselves were harmed by a drug, would say, well, let's put this off for 6 weeks. Let's take care of our state's business. There's a reason why 49 other states don't incorporate this as a hindrance to their local courts. So let's do the right thing and vote on this today, because we know darn well that we're not going to be able to vote on it on June 2nd. Mr. Lieutenant Governor, that is my no vote explanation. I appreciate the opportunity to speak.